Good morning guys, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the middle of nowhere. That's right, we're about an hour out of Perth near Bakers Hill to try our hand at rally driving. Now I've had my fair share of racing experience, but never on the gravel, so this should be very interesting. At the end of this road is the Rally Driving School, where we're going to get strapped into Evos, WRXs and cars like that to see how badly we can Scandinavian flick. Should be a lot of fun. I'm glad you're along for the ride. Let's check it out.
Check it.
So the bitumen has disappeared and we're now on a gravel track. So it looks like they want us to test our rally skills before we even get there. This should be fun. So we're here at the final gate with a million flies, and we're just going to follow the instructions and wait for the guys to come pick us up. We've been picked up from the gate and we're being escorted into the track. Oh, very exciting. Alright, time to sign in and do some paperwork.
Thanks very much for coming up and doing this stuff. Anyone done the V8 supercar driving stuff out on the tracks and stuff? Alright, so all the stuff that you learned out there, throw it out the window. Alright, we do everything different here. Today we've got some really experienced guys. We've got Mitch, Abe, Mike and Damon. I'm telling you that because you need to listen to what they got to say when you're in the car with them, alright? Because they're going to stop you from actually buying that rally car. Okay. Alright. Okay, there's two Subarus, WRXs, and there's two Mitsubishi Evos. The cars themselves are the real deal. They've done competitive miles in their time. They do have a lot of money's worth of suspension and brakes and things like that underneath.
With the safety brief completed, it was time to jump into the cars, but not before taking some style tips from the staff. Do you like my hat?
When you're ready, we'll get underway. Yep, so out through the cones. Alright, and then accelerating away. In a second. That's it, so going out, turning in quite late, all the way up to the cone almost, and then turning in, braking all the way through the corner. That's it, now powering all the way through, nice and smooth, gradually increasing the throttle as you're comfortable, all the way through here and down to the bottom corner. That's it, all the way through. That's it, a little bit of braking in and then feeding the power on. There you go, as you feel the front drifting away from you, just lift off a bit, take your gun, just lift off a bit, let the front come in. If it still doesn't come in, dab the brakes. That's it, all the way around. A bit of brake, wait till it's turned, that's it, now power, go, go, go. On the power, braking in, more brake, more brake, more brake. And then power. There you go, perfect. Even firmer on that brake pedal. Turning it in. That's it, same again, a little bit of a brake, waiting till the car's straight, power, go, 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 power, 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 braking in, turn, more brake, that's it, and then power. There you go, beautiful. I'll get you to slow down for me once we go around here, because we're going to head up to the top track. Accelerating away me, once you're through the cones, make sure the wheel's straight, car's straight, on the power, really go, go, go into third. We're going to go round to the left here, so braking from that cone all the way up to the top, and then back on the power. So it's just a light brake, settle the car over the bump, feeding the power on all the way along here, and then braking in, leaving it in third. So just do a lighter brake to start off with, and then leave that firmer brake right in the corner. When you want to rotate down a second, staying as wide as you can, really get on the power, 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 braking hard, and then power. So it kind of pulls us in there. Try and go wider again and straighten the car up a bit more, and like really get in the power. That's a tricky one. That's it, around now. On the power, go into third. That's it, braking up over the bump, back on the power all the way to the end. Braking down to second, once the car's straight, up into third. That's it, round to the left. So braking up, over the top, back on the power, feeding it on, feeding it on, feeding it on, braking in. Pump wide, that's it. There you go. Again, sounds a bit early, and it's turning in a little bit too early. But that's good. Turning it in, power, 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 braking in. And it's hard one to get, but you're getting there. You got that technique, so it's just getting used to it, you know. Nice steady throttle. Now getting on today, you're a bit eager on the throttle end, hit the third. A little bit of a brake over the, that's it, on the power. And then down to second, slowing up for me. We're going to head up to the 10, so we'll go around to the right. There we go, how was that?
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Love it.
Yeah, no, it's good. You're doing really well. You know, like that's really, really well.
It's awesome. It is awesome.
I mean, I wasn't awesome. It was pretty well.
Done up?
Yep, good.
Belt's tight.
So hot laps with a professional now.
Yeah. This is the fun bit. This is where you get to pay You got there, right?
Yeah, that's awesome. Wow.
It's a bit bumpy.
I reckon. There's a few similarities. Not.
There you go, mate. That's what we're trying to get you to do. Now, can I get a round of applause for Alex? He's here. Come on, mate. So, buddy, I'm instructor. You're filming there. Last one out. Please get the gate because I don't want to be herding sheep after you finish washing cars. We'd love to see you again. Tell them JB said you'll get a discount. That'll get me in trouble every day of the week. Alright guys, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, mate. Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, you enjoy that?
I'll probably see you around anyway.
Yeah, definitely. Have a good one, man.
So there we go, guys. That was Rally School. What an awesome experience. Definitely come down and check these guys out. Head to rallyschool.com.au for more information. I'll be sure to link them down below as always. A couple of tips. It's dusty, it's windy, there's lots of flies, so make sure you come prepared. If you like the video, give it the old thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to stay safe and have fun. Ciao.